Alrighty, boys and girls, Mike with Blueface Plus. I got this Harbor Freight hitch. Gonna go ahead and open this thing up. Gonna be for my RV. Show you guys kind of what this kit comes with. Comes with a rod. This bad boy here. This box is heavy, guys. Heavy, heavy, heavy. So I got some grease fittings on here. Some chain. Instructions, some heavy duty hardware, these bad boys here that go on to the RV. Got the receiver. Sheesh. Whew, that baby's heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. Golly, bro. Them things are heavy. Two of those. Come on. So, we got that. Two of these. Does not come with the ball hitch, but I went ahead and picked one up, so I got one of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and start putting this thing together. Show you guys what's going on. Alrighty, so went ahead and installed the chains on there like so. We got the hitch in. The bars lock in here. Now we're going to do the ball real quick. So we're going to use a 2 5/16, but it's loose, so they give you this spacer. So you want to make sure you install that spacer. And when you place the spacer on there, like so. And then that way, when you get it all tightened up, it'll be nice and secure. Alrighty, guys. So everybody's is going to be different. So far, I got my trailer level, where it's nice and level. Pretty much straight surface. I got my ball height about an inch taller than here. So if we're at 21.5, I have the top at 22.5. Now, that's just a rough I'm going with, but that's where I'm going to start. Also, I started with 6 washers to give me just a little bit of a slant. So I'm going to go ahead and try that. I'm going to tighten up all these bolts here, get them really tight. Tighten this guy down here. This locks this in. Make sure you got your pin. So I'm going to go ahead and get this secured, and then I'm going to go ahead and hook my bars up and try to do the chains and the tension bars. Also, I'm going to take note of the distance between the top of my tire to my wheel well on my back and my front. So I'm going to take those measurements and write those down. So when we put the trailer on, we want to try to be as close to those measurements when we have the tension. Alrighty, guys. So in the front, it actually went up 1 inch, and in the back, it went down 1.5 inches. So I'm hoping when I get these torsion rails on here and I get my adjustment, hopefully I can get it equal. So I'm gonna have to try that now, but right now I went ahead and you put some grease in there, so, or you can just grease this too. So we're gonna go ahead and we should be able to just snap it on in there. It's gonna be kind of hard to do this so with one hand. So let me go ahead and just snap this in real quick. Alrighty, y'all, we got them both in, greased up, chains, these guys installed. This is the handle here that y'all use to engage and disengage. We got these tightened in. I wanted to go a little bit more, but my propane tank mounts in the way, so, but it's still pretty good. So what I'm going to do now is, I believe I'm going to try to lift the truck up with this now. So we got to, hopefully this picks up on this, and then these bars start to bend up. So So we're gonna see here. It's gonna lift up on the back of the truck. Truck's gonna start lifting up. Should anyway. Alright, it's going up. Springs are coming up. I'm going to take a look at that, see what's going on. Got my support jacks up. Make sure, you pull up a little bit to get it straight when you're doing it. So that's kind of where we're at. I'm going to bring it up a little more. Let me see. Let me see if we can get a chain on there now. Let me see. Let's see. It's got a little notch in there. Let me get this bar. Let's see. Alright. That popped in there. So I think I might want to go up a little bit more than that, but either way you got to play with it. And then once you get it secured, they got this cotter pin that just goes in here, and it goes in one of these, and it locks it in so that way it don't come undone when you're going down the road. So, and then we'll lower this. Let's see what that, let me go ahead and do the other side. Alrighty, so I got both sides on. I'm gonna go ahead and start lowering this, and the tension should go up. So whenever you're disconnecting it, I would recommend the same thing. I would recommend coming up on that to loosen the tension on those, to release those, and then bring your jack back down. So let's go ahead and come back down, and we should see this start to tension up. So let's see. Alright, looks like pressure's off. Alright, pressure's off. Oh yeah. Man, that baby is. Woo. Let me go check the other side. Alrighty guys, so I got them both on. I went ahead, I didn't like how tight it was, so I did one more. I almost want to do one more, but I think I'm gonna end up test driving it before I do any more adjusting on it. But I think for now that's a good spot for me to start. Everybody's vehicle will be different, but if you see the truck, and I'm not on perfectly level either, so, but if you guys look, and obviously you want to not have your slides opened up and hookups, but I'm just out here messing around. So I hope this video kind of helps you guys out. I appreciate y'all staying tuned. If you've seen anything that I could try, any adjustments for this setup, it's a 99 K25 3/4 ton with a 29-foot Grand Design. So thanks guys, appreciate it. Stay tuned for the next one. Thanks, y'all, take care. God bless.